What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And today we're going to do an eyebrow, and that's the product we're going to use, and we're going to achieve an eyebrow. So you can watch this video and achieve your eyebrow. So first we need a line pencil, and what we did, we're going to outline the outer layer of our eyebrow just to get it slit. If you want, you can shave your eyebrow and just fill it in, but I never shave my eyebrow, so what I did, I draw my eyebrow and fill it in. Be very light on the pencil, and I use not a black pencil but a brown pencil, dark brown pencil. And then the other way you can do is start from the end and build up to the top. So on the first one we outline the outer layer and fix it, but the second one we build from the bottom to the top. Now we're going to use this eyebrow brush, and we're just going to brush in all of the pencil liner, like just brush it as smooth as possible. That's why we're not going to use the pencil deep, like press it on your eyebrow, just lightly line it. You can get any eye pencil at the beauty shop, and you can get this brush at the beauty shop as well. You just take your time and smooth it down. If it go over your line, it is okay. It's okay, because then we're going to use the concealer and line it up. Now we are using this Pro Concealer. It is a light LA Pro Concealer. This is the light one. So I'm going to use a light one under the eyes, and when we reach to the top, we're going to use a much more color like my skin. So we use the light one and we line the eyebrow. You realize that we had a little mess underneath, and what we did is just to clean up that. And I use a small glass so that the glass can be up in my face. So use a small glass so it can be up in your face, so you know what you're doing. So we just use this nice brush. Everyone need a brush like that. You can screenshot it and get one, but this is a perfect brush to line your eyebrow. So you take your time and just line the eyebrow. With a lot of practicing, you will get it. You probably won't get it the first time, but you will get it with a lot of practice. And what we're going to do now, we join the line together, so we make sure that the two lines, it is well joined together, and like we have a straight line. You won't get it perfect the first time, so you have to keep trying, and you will. Because I'm still learning, because I never get twin eyebrow. I just try, and sometimes we get twins, sometimes not. So now we are using my color. Why did I stutter? Now I'm using a shade that is close to my color, and what I am doing now, I am just lining the top. You can use the bright one on the top as well, but I just decided to use a color to my shade on the top. And what we did, we just make sure the line is as straight as possible as we can get it. Okay, now my line wasn't looking so perfect as how I would want it, so I get back the pencil and I make a line again. Now I'm using this brush just to get the front kind of faded away, so I'm just using it to get a little bit of fade. And then I want my brow to be as straight as possible, so I go back and I touch. So it's okay to then play around with it until you get the perfect eyebrow for yourself. So we play around it and we use a brush and clean it. So now I'm just not, well, usually if I'm doing a full face, I leave that alone and then just go and do my face, and then when I finish I pat in between. But no, I'm not doing a full face, I'm just doing my eyebrows. So what I did, I just go ahead and shade out the front line, so we don't need a a straight line to the front, because obviously somebody can see that it is an eyebrow wallet, whatever, but we just try to just shade it as thin as possible, and this is it. I was very comfortable with it. Sometimes we get sisters, sometimes not, sometimes we get twins, and sometimes we get cousins. But whatever you get, it takes a lot of practice and patience. So just go ahead and do what you can do, and stay tuned for more video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. One love. We love you. Mwah! I love you.